Hi, my name's Ken Harvey. I'm the executive chef at Loews Ventana Canyon Resort. I started actually working through fast foods and bowling alleys. And through the progression of my career, I ended up in Houston, Texas, where I worked at a small bed and breakfast for a corporate executive chef. So when I went to go to culinary school, they wanted 6 months of experience before they would let me start school. So I had been working at the bed and breakfast for about 2 months. I took 4 months, really learned the ins and outs of what it takes to be a chef, and did doubles every day, opened at 5, out after lunch, back before dinner, and closing, last one out at midnight. I had spent a summer out in Tucson, and it's so picturesque. The mountain ranges, the cactus, the culture, the people. Tucson is being recognized globally as a superpower in what is culinary and hospitality. To live in a place of the Sonoran Desert that actually has a plethora of uniquely local and indigenous ingredients that people have been cooking for years. I mean, to jump right into that kind of bowl of culture and depth in Tucson was something that always pulled me. We have 100 acres at Loews Ventana Canyon. The first thing that we harvest in season is barrel cactus fruit. We take the yellow rings that look like pineapple, blanch them, braise them, cook them in vanilla, and we'll make a pineapple upside down cake out of barrel fruit. From that, we go to the saguaro. Nothing in the Sonoran Desert could touch what the magic saguaro does for this city, this community, or even the local population from a nutrition point of view. We harvest cholla buds. Cholla are the cactus that usually get your leg when you're mountain biking, or you'll find stuck all over you when you're out in the desert hiking. And that's something that the Native Americans would dry out, pull out in the middle of winter, and have a nice green vegetable. When I'm in Tucson and I'm thirsty, the only place I like to go get a beer is Dragoon Brewery. Tristan and his team over there are the best craft brewers in Tucson. When I'm looking for a great coffee, I like to go to EXO. I like sitting on the patio, I like the energy in the building, I like the retro feel. Anytime you want a great cup of coffee in Tucson, EXO is the place to go. We live near Catalina State Park. The mountains, the views of Push Ridge and the scenery, you really get that lost in Tucson feel. When I'm active and enjoy hiking and cycling and being outside, Mount Wrightston is always the place for me. I enjoy the nature. My son likes the turkeys that are out there. The dog likes the length of the hike. The most memory-driven asset that I have to Tucson is immediately after a monsoon. It's the breeze that flows through the desert right after it rains, and it's a calming, warm breeze. It's a scent, it's a taste, it's a smell that if you live in Tucson, you don't like it, you crave it. You're passionate about it. You can't wait for the next moment. It gives you goosebumps. It's deep. It's the smell of the desert and the taste of the desert is something that people have in their DNA here, and it's something that's recognized on a daily basis. You could never say that about another city.